it's Eugenia. So today I'm gonna be doing a video trying the new Jeffree Star Orgy collection. So I ordered this makeup like back when it was like getting released, and I've been super excited to try it. I always love Jeffree's makeup, and I think he always makes like such good palettes and such good products and everything. So yeah, I've been super excited to try it. I ordered a bunch of different items from the collection, so I'm gonna be trying like the big Orgy palette, which this looks super nice. Like I think like package looks really pretty, and it's really cool how Jeffree is also on the palette, and it's super nice. It has like this big mirror, and I think this looks so nice that there's so many different kind of like nude shades in this palette. I don't really have like all that many like nude palettes. I have a couple, but I feel like this one specifically is like so nice because there's so many different shades, and I think stuff that could just work for like anyone. And then also I ordered, so this looks really beautiful too. Sorry guys, because I've already kind of taken these out of the boxes, but yeah, you know, I think like all the models in here and everything look super great on the box, and then and also here like on the actual palette. So I also ordered the mini Orgy palette, which this looks so pretty. I'm super excited to try these, and this looks like it's more like metallic shades, but I love Jeffree's metallic shades, so I'm super excited to try these. A lot of these look so pretty, like this Frozen Fire and Glass Wet, and I don't know, just like all of these look really, really nice. And then I think like the bigger Orgy palette, these are more matte shades. So it's cool that here you have like more matte shades, which Jeffree's mattes are also always really, really great. So yeah, so I'm excited that like this palette, you got like tons of nice matte shades. And then with the mini palette, then you have some really cool metallic-y shades. So it's cool that like that way you get both. And yeah, so I just kind of ordered the bundle of that. And then I love Jeffree's glosses. I think that Jeffree always makes like such amazing glosses, and they're just always so pretty. Silk Robe, Beaded Glass, Pretzel Drip, and then Body Count. And then I also ended up ordering the Nude Liquid Lipstick Vault, and this I was really excited for because, well, first of all, like I love Jeffree's liquid lipstick products like so much, and I'll use them like all the time. And also like a lot of time I do wear like nude lipsticks and things like that. This looks beautiful. Like this looks so nice. It just comes with so many different lip shades here. And yeah, and I love a lot of Jeffree's lip shades, and I was really excited about like the new ones. I think that those look really, really pretty too. So yeah, and this package is so nice. It also smells like really nice. Sorry if that's like weird to say, but yeah. Okay guys, I guess I'm just gonna go right into the video and start doing my makeup and everything. So I guess before I start putting the shadows on, I'm just gonna start by priming my eyes, and to do that, I'm just using my Urban Decay primer potion here. And I think for my makeup today, I'm gonna start out with the big Orgy palette here. I'm not sure exactly what kind of look I'm gonna do, but I was thinking I would probably maybe do something kind of like smoky and stuff. And I was really excited about this because I loved the cremated palette too, which was also, I guess, kind of more of like a neutral palette. And I loved that one look with all the black shades and the grays, and it's such a good palette. I'm excited with this that it's kind of like more brown. So I think maybe I'll like start with something lighter, because then I figure, you know, I could always put on like darker shades after that. I think I'm just gonna start with the shade Bottom here, put that kind of like in my crease area and just kind of blend it around there. Wow, and this is like, oh my gosh, so already this is like so pigmented and nice. Yeah, so this definitely looks like a super, super pigmented, kind of like nice brown kind of tan shade. I think it's totally tan. Sorry if I like don't describe any of these colors right, guys, but that's kind of what it looks like to me, and it's definitely very pretty and just like blending so nicely. I really love Jeffree's like eyeshadow formula, so it's really cool that now we have like a nude palette from him, and that I feel like there's so many different colors and so many different looks you can do with it. So I think that's awesome. And okay, I'm just like blending that a little more. I was thinking kind of like near the corner, maybe I would try to shade Body Chills, which this looks really pretty. This looks like kind of like a really nice cool tone brown. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that kind of like in the inner crease. Wow, and yeah, these shades are like, they're so pigmented, guys. It's super nice. So I probably actually put a little more on the brush than I even like needed to, because this is like very, very pigmented and super pretty. That is a really nice shade. So I think now I'm gonna start using kind of some of the darker colors and making it kind of like a smokier look, I think. I think that a lot of these colors, kind of especially in like the bottom 2 rows, and I'm really thinking like this last row here, I think I'm gonna start using some of like the really darker ones. I think I'm gonna start with the shade Happy Ending, which is this one right here, which looks like a really pretty brown shade. And I'm just gonna kind of put that, and just try to blend that into my crease area where I put bottom. Oh wow, okay, so guys, these browns, oh my gosh, so they seriously apply so nicely. Like the pigment in these is so good, and I also just feel like they are blending like super nicely together. And next I'm gonna be taking some of this shade Orgy. And this, I guess that's like, you know, it's named after the palette, so you should definitely use that shade. And it looks like a really pretty kind of like darker brown. I was kind of thinking I'd also just kind of blend that into kind of like the outer part of my crease a little bit. Wow, okay, so that shade also is amazing. I also really like black eyeshadow, so I also really wanted to try the shade Glory Hole, which is the black here. So I think I am just gonna take a little bit of that and also just kind of like blend it into like the corner of my crease. I might use a little more of that later, I guess we'll see. But yeah, I was thinking I would also just use that a little bit. Yeah, and then I'm also just kind of blending these a little bit on my lid. I think I'm probably gonna use a metallic shade on my lid, but thought I would also do that. I think this is a great black. I think that it's blending into all the browns and all the other colors super nicely. So I think I'm gonna start with the shade Safe Sex, and I'm just gonna kind of blend that above where I put some of those darker colors. And then I think I'm also gonna take the shade here, Bed or Floor, and I'm also just gonna blend that a little bit above where I put those other shades. I also really wanted to try the mini Orgy palette today. Sorry. And this is nice too, how you also have like a mini mirror here. Really convenient. I'm really kind of wanting to try Frozen Fire, which I feel like that could probably work. So I don't know. I'm gonna just kind of take my finger and put that on my lid. All right, so I'm just gonna apply that real quick. Oh my gosh, whoa. So this shade is so pretty. Like, do you guys see how pretty this shade is? All right, so I'm just gonna use probably a good amount of this because I'm really liking this color. Wow, okay, so this color, so it's almost like there's seriously like a fire on your eye. I don't know exactly how to describe it, but it looks like it almost has a little bit of like yellow orange in it too, and like along with the red, and it's just like, oh my gosh. But seriously, this is such a pretty shade. I think I might also just use a little bit of Eiffel Tower, which looks like it's kind of like a dark brown red. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Okay, so that is like very pigmented once again. And I think I'm just gonna kind of apply that a little bit here. And this also looks really pretty and really nice and shiny. It kind of makes things, I guess, a little more metallic-y. So I'm thinking I'll probably use like Glass Wet or something, because Glass Wet looks really beautiful looking at that. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my eye, and then I'll probably come back to this palette. I'm definitely happy that I ended up going with that. So now I'm just gonna kind of do underneath my eye, and to do that, I definitely feel like with some of the shades that I already used that they could definitely work again for like underneath. But I kind of want to try like a good amount of shades today. So I'm thinking that maybe I would try the shade I'm Close, which looks like a really pretty darker brown. And then I'll probably also use some of Glory Hole, like also just kind of like, you know, under my eye a bit. Wow, okay, so that is such a nice brown. So I really love that color brown. I feel like it just went on super nice and super pigmented. And then I probably will just use a little bit of Glory Hole. I don't even really know if I need it because I already feel like up close looks super pretty underneath like your eye and everything. You know, I guess I just like a lot of time when I'm doing like smoky looks kinda, I like to kind of also add in some black and just make things like even darker sometimes. So I guess I will also just take a little bit of that and blend that into I'm Close. Okay, so there we go. Then I'm thinking to kind of like just like blend that out a little bit underneath a bit. I think I'm gonna try the shade Gender Fluid and just take that like underneath where I put those other colors and just kind of like blend there a bit, which this seems to be doing a really great job of. Okay, and that definitely seemed to, I think, just kind of make things come together really perfectly. I'm definitely really happy with that. Okay, so then I'm gonna go back, I think, to the mini Orgy palette, do like the inner corner of my eye. But I was thinking that maybe before I put on one of those colors, I would also just put one of these on underneath. I think it's super nice here how there's so many different options too for like lighter shades and cream colors and everything like that. So I'm kind of like, I don't even know which one I should try. Like I'm really excited to try all of them, but just for like this video and stuff. So I don't know, I think maybe for that, maybe I'll start by trying Seduction, which looks like a really pretty kind of white cream shade, and just put that a little bit towards my inner corner. Okay, that looks really pretty. Looks like that just kind of like lightens things a bit in there. Oh wow, yeah, the pigment in these is so good too, guys. That's crazy. So I really think we'll need to use like a little bit of this. And I think also kind of like in my brow bone area, I'm gonna use the color I'm Shy, which this looks really pretty. I think this might be like the lightest white shade. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of put that above the shadows like here and just kind of in my brow bone area. I really want to try this shade Glass Wet. I think that that looks like a super pretty color. I feel like it might work really good with this. This looks like a really pretty shade. It's definitely kind of giving it a really nice like sparkle. I think because it looks so pretty, I might just take my finger and just use like a little bit more of it, kind of like right in the corner. There we go. Yeah, and I think that just looks like super pretty and definitely gives it like a really nice kind of like sparkle and everything. I think I'm also just gonna use a bit of that kind of like above my brow bone as well, like right there. All right guys, so those are pretty much all the shadows that I'm gonna be using today. From using these shadows today in both of these palettes, I really love both of these palettes. I think that they are super pretty. I think that they have tons of pretty nude shades and are great for like nude looks and smoky looks and things like that. So I'm definitely super happy with them. I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other eye off of camera, since you guys, I guess, kind of already saw me do this eye. And also just kind of do liner and mascara and all that stuff, and then I'll come right back and try the other items that I haven't tried yet and kind of like tell you guys more of like what I thought of these palettes and stuff. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished doing both eyes now and doing eyeliner and mascara and all of that. So I'm definitely super happy with both of these palettes, and I think that these colors are super beautiful. I think that they all blend super nicely and are super pigmented. And I really like how like with this bigger Orgy palette that it's all these really nice, really matte shades, and there's so much like variety of different colors and stuff. And I think like these mini Orgy metallics are so gorgeous. And seriously, like this shade, Frozen Fire, like this kind of like red pink fiery shade. I seriously think this is one of like the most beautiful, gorgeous eyeshadow colors. And yeah, and I'm super happy that I did end up going with that one on my lid today because I just think it's so pretty. I'm like so happy that I bought these and can't wait to keep using them and stuff. And I think that Jeffree did such a great job on them. So I guess now I'm gonna start using the other products, which is the lip stuff, which I'm really excited to do. I'm not sure exactly what color lip shade I want to do today. This like nude liquid lipstick vault is so nice. I think that, wow, like the packaging with this is so beautiful. Yeah, so, and it's so cool. It's so nice like having like so many different like shades to choose from and all these different nude shades. And a lot of these are actually colors that I wear like all the time, like Skin Tight, I'm Nude, and a lot of these other shades that are also in here I really like. And it's cool too because a lot of these shades are shades that I didn't have yet but I've been kind of wanting to try, like Chrysanthemum. I'm not sure I'm saying that shade name right, but I've seen that shade. I've always thought it looked really pretty, but I never had that one, and I saw that shade was in here. Also Mannequin I was gonna buy a while ago, but it was sold out. So now it's nice that I have it in here. Calabasas I really like a lot. So it's really nice that just like with this, you have so many different shades like right here in this nice vault. Today I thought that I would try maybe one of the new shades, and I thought I would maybe try to shade Jeffree's Nudes, which looks really pretty. And I like a lot of time to have like a really nice like light shade on my lip, and I don't know, this looks like a really pretty nude shade. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this real quick. Wow, so I I love this. So I love the color of this, and I think this is a really pretty, really like perfect nude shade. Yeah, and I think it just could go super good with pretty much any kind of eye makeup. So I'm definitely super happy with that. And okay, I guess now after that, I'm just gonna put on one of the new glosses, which I've also been really excited to try. So I ended up buying 4 of these glosses, and yeah, I love Jeffree's gloss formula. I have a bunch of his glosses, and I always think that they're super pretty and just like really shiny and nice. And yeah, so I thought I'd buy a couple different ones. So I'm really excited to try all of these. I have this one, Beaded Glass, which looks super pretty. I have Body Count, which also looks really pretty and like it has some nice like glitter in it. I have Silk Robe, which looks super beautiful and looks like this will be a really nice gloss. And I also have Pretzel Drip, which looks really pretty and kind of to me looks a little bit more golden than Beaded Glass and a little darker, and also just like, yeah. So I think that also looks like a really pretty gloss. Definitely really excited to like wear all of those, but I think today the one maybe I'm gonna try is Beaded Glass. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that over my lipstick. Wow, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So already I love this. Also, these smell really, really nice. I feel like a lot of Jeffree's like lip glosses smell really nice, but yeah, just pointing that out. Wow, so oh my gosh, so this is seriously such a pretty gloss. Like already I was really liking how the lipstick looks, but I feel like this just made everything so pretty, and this is so shiny and nice. And I just think is such a beautiful lip gloss shade. So I think that that is everything that I'm gonna be trying today from the Orgy collection. And I think that this is such a beautiful collection. I think that both of these palettes are beautiful, and I think that these are like the perfect nude palettes. Like now for nude palettes, I think that these are definitely my favorites, and I'm like, I don't even really feel like I need other nude palettes where these have so many nice colors, and these metallic shades are so beautiful. I think that Frozen Fire is definitely one of my favorite eyeshadow colors now. It is just so gorgeous and pretty. So super happy with that. I really love the Vault, and I think it's so nice to have all these different like nude lip shades, and I'm really happy with this one, Jeffree's Nudes, that I put on. Also the glosses, like I think that they look so pretty, and this one, Beaded Glass, that I wore today, I think is super, super beautiful. So I'm definitely super happy with it. So I can't wait to keep like wearing this collection, and I think it's just a super beautiful collection with super beautiful eyeshadows and lip shades and everything. And I always love Jeffree's makeup and like his palettes and everything. And I think that once again, he created like such a beautiful collection, and I love it. I can't wait to keep using it, like I said. So all right guys, well, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, then you can give it a like if you liked it, and you can subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And all right, well, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.